Hi and hello, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you a quick one how I made this art journal spread out of the papers from Artstacks. These are from the Homemaker limited edition stack. So these are the new stacks, and I'm just going to show you. The first one is the dressmaker, and it's so pretty. And here you see you have some patterns from sewing and some different, I think all of these are original papers, so they're really unique. So I'm really blessed to be able to have them and play with. So this is the Homemaker kit that I will use today, I believe. So look at them, they're so nice, and I'm really itching to play with them. I'll just love the music notes papers. So I have a spread here that I just want to, I want to use it. I had a face in the background, I just painted it over with some gesso, and I'm using my transparent gesso just to add some of the papers here quick. And I really love those papers with holes in them. I don't know why they look like that. I don't know what they're for originally, but I really love using them. And I also want to use this rose paper. So I'm just intuitively working with these. No plan. I almost never have a plan, you know. But I'm going to use some of the white gesso. I actually made my homemade white gesso also this time. It's really nice to use. And of course I want to use my fingers. I sometimes prefer using my fingers over the brush. And now for this beautiful flowery paper. It's kind of a thick paper, I don't know. It's kind of a different feel to it. But I'm just using my, how do you call that? My scissors with teeth. I only call them that. I don't know what they're really called. So I'm just using some paints that I just mixed for a color nuance that I think I will like, and I'm adding some water to it to make it more runny. I want some drippage out of it. So really fast and intuitive work here. I want some of the pink also that is on the paper to the right. I wanted to add a bit of it to the spread also. Just to make it more cohesive. And I'm going to use a stencil from Pronti Crafts here. I really like this one. I recently bought it and I really love it. And I'm using my sponge and a few acrylic paints here that I think will be nice in colors. Yeah, I like that. Maybe some more on top of this page. I really like that corally nuance. And I have no patience, so I'm using my heat gun to dry it, and then I'm using my Uniball Signo pen just to outline on the flowers a bit. I think that will look nice to make them pop a bit more. I'm using my Silky Twister crayon here for some smudging around the corners. It's a children's crayon actually, but you can just as well use a Tim Holtz crayon, distress crayon, or you can use an oil crayon or a Neocolor, or yeah, pretty much anything. Maybe some distress ink you could use also. But I really like framing the spread in, kind of. And now I'm going to use my lovely inspirational word kit from Artstacks. And they are so nice to use, and they are on tissue papers. So really nice to just add with my homemade transparent gesso here. Laughter is the sound of the soul dancing. I really like that quote. So thank you for watching, and please head over to Artstacks website. I will link it below in the description if you're interested in their papers. Thank you for watching, and stay safe out there, and have a nice day. Bye.